So we made it to Fletcher's Cave here in Kentucky. It's Mount Vernon, Kentucky. And it's pretty neat. Saw this little spot and wanted to check it out, see if we can find anything. I'm not sure what we'll find. Saw these little bugs, but they're pretty tiny. There's hundreds of them. It's a nice little stream though. Let me see it. Dropped it. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know. Huh. You think it's scary in there? Yeah. No, I'm asking if you do.
It depends what sounds when you're creepy.
Spooky. Need a flashlight in here. Oh, it's cool though. But on the camera, you can see inside the water. But to us, it's like so dark. Wow. Huh. Oh, it's not?
No. Interesting though.
This one's kind of interesting. But it's hard to see in here though. I don't know. No?
Nope. Nope. It's not for me.
She's over here rock climbing. Go ahead, keep going. No, don't, for real. Yeah, you'll probably slip. Yeah, I don't think you can hold on to those twigs. Just saw this one straight. It's like all black, almost. Thought it was kind of odd. Might scoop it up. Finally, it looks like a little bit. No, maybe it's just coral all over it or something. I don't know. Found one trying to form quartz on it or something, maybe on it. You see it all? Yeah, I don't know. So after examining closer, there's shells. There are a bunch of mini shells. I've never seen so many, like just in a creek. Wow. I don't think we found much, but found a couple rocks that we liked, but so we're gonna leave our mark like a few other people did around this place in this. So if you ever see it, you gotta let us know. Couldn't really find a spot to write, so we had to come back by the cave and write it here. There you go. All right, that's it.